Hi guys, you're welcome to another video on how to trade or scalp gold. Okay, we'll be looking at gold from the daily time frame. The daily time frame still shows that we are in a bullish trend. Okay, price went up, okay, and then dropped. All right, also went up, okay, now it's dropping. It's dropped this far, and then it could go up, all right, or it could drop to the ascending trend line. These are ascending trend line, all right. So but that's the daily time frame. We want to see how we can scalp gold on the smaller time frames. Okay, so daily time frame, that's that 4-hour time frame. You can see the price rose, okay, and then we have like a drop, all right, or let's say drop, okay. Then we have it rising, but it did not break this high, and here it didn't break this high, so it rose and broke the high up to this point. And we have a drop, all right, and it also rose up, okay, breaking this particular high here, right? And then we have like a drop, like a fake out, okay. We have like a fake out, all right. Initially I was expecting it to rise higher, then it's gonna drop, come back to this initial resistance that should now turn to support, and then should rise, for us to know that the trend continues. But that's not the case. We have a sharp drop, making this a fake rise, okay, making it a fake out. And then we can see what the drop is doing. Okay, let's say the drop is as far as this, and then you can see a rise, a drop, but with the drop is now with a higher low. So this is a higher low around here, and now we have a rise, okay. And that's how far we've gone on the 4-hour time frame. So let's look at what's happening on the 1-hour time frame. Let's drill down to the 1-hour time frame, then we'll now look at how we can scalp gold. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, we have the range. Price of gold is ranging. This is the bottom of the range, this is the top of the range, okay. Now the range is getting more narrow, okay, becoming more narrow, all right, having higher low. These are higher, this is a low, this particular low here is higher than this, and this is higher than this. But on the top side, we have a drop and a rise, okay. So we have higher low here, then we have lower high here, now higher high here, higher high, okay. So that's like it's ranging upwards. This high is much lower than the next high, so we have a higher high, okay. And this particular high formed is much higher, is a bit higher than this present high, okay. And the lows are the lows are also rising, so more like an uptrend, okay, but it's a ranging uptrend. If you draw your channel, you see that it's ranging upwards, okay, it's ranging upwards, okay, like a channel. So I will expect on the 1 hour time frame price to drop to somewhere here, then the range is going to continue much higher. The range is going to continue drop, then much higher. All right, so on the 30-minute time frame we can see head and shoulder. Okay, 30 minutes time frame we have head and shoulder playing out, head and shoulder pattern playing out on the 30 minutes time frame. How do I know it's head and shoulder? This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So if you are going to scalp, you look for sell. When looking at the candles, you can see that the bears are much they are much active than the bulls. The bulls have been active all along around here. The bulls have been active up to this point, but the bears started stepping in. Look at bear force stepped in. The bulls were unable to take it as high as this initial point, but as far as they could go was here, and the bears came in, took it to this point, and the bulls were like, let's give it another push, and they took it as far as here. So we now have lower high. This is the highest point. This is a much lower high. This is much lower. This high is lower than this high. So when you begin to see that, you know that the bulls are losing it. Now looking at the lows, let's look at the lows. This is a low, and currently price is forming a lower low. All right, and then look at the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline. It's our neckline. This is our neckline. All right, so the neckline has been broken around here on the 30 minutes time frame. Got broken around here on the 30 minutes time frame. So we expect price to go down, then price should go down, and just a minute, the neckline, this is the neckline. Okay, that's the neckline. So we expect price to go down, okay, and retest. Price might retest this neckline and then drop further. Okay, but this line, this ascending trend line, is our limit where we expect price to get to before it forms another probably W or double bottom pattern and then rise. Okay, but for now this is like a triple top pattern or head and shoulder pattern for now. So that's that for the 30 minutes time frame. Looking at the 15 minutes time frame, okay, it's much clearer. The left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and you can see what's happening. Price is dropping. So on the 15 minutes time frame, if we are going to scalp, we sell, this particular point is our low, the nearest low. This is the nearest low. Okay, after this low we have another low here. Okay, so if price drops to this low and breaks it, we have another buyers will be waiting here again. So for now buyers are waiting around here to take price up, because this is an order block. This is another block. The zone where price is a zone where the buyers were able to take price up in this particular run. So this is our order block. This is another order block. zone where the buyers were able to take price up. Okay, all right, so here we have inefficiency here, and the sellers are trying to fill it, trying to fill the inefficiency. As soon as they get to this particular area, as soon as they get to this 19, so that the sellers get to this 1988 area, you might have a lift. Okay, but price could even go further down. So that's that on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, let's look at what's going on the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame, we can see price descending. Let me remove these lines. Let me remove these lines so that we can see what we are looking at. Just a minute. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes time frame. We're looking at how we can scalp gold. We have a support around here, tested here. Support was tested at this point, also tested at this point where we have liquidity. Liquidity means where the buyers are putting their stop loss. They will have put stop loss here, and at the time price rose up and they were buying, the buyers were buying, they will have put their stop loss here. So sellers took it to that point, okay, and it was rising again. More buyers will put more stop loss, so we have more stop loss around here, and it's called the liquidity zone, where more buyers have enough money trying to push price up. But look at now what happened. Liquidity sweep. The sellers swept the liquidity with this move, and this clearly shows that price may go further down to sweep all these inefficiency. We have these imbalances around here to be further swept. So we expect price to go down. So if you are scalping gold, look for sell opportunities, look for way to sell gold. We have a zone support or demand zone here because of the other block we saw on the 30 minutes or 50 minutes time frame earlier on. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. Price is dropping on the 1 minute time frame. Look at a liquidity zone around here on the 1 minute time frame, where the buyers put their stop loss here, took price up, sellers took it to that initial point where they put their stop loss, and buyers stepped in again. So we have liquidity zone around here. Okay, and look at the liquidity sweep happening here. Okay, we have a lot of buyers trying to stop the price from going down, and by the time the sellers had enough impetus, they were able to push price down, and they swept all the liquidity. So as price, you can see price going down. Buyer stepped in here, rose up, went down. Okay, buyers are coming in now on the 1 minute time frame, but we have like a descending trend line around here. So if price gets to this point, it could drop. So if you are scalp selling, just monitor what can happen around here and expect a drop somewhere around here. But you know, this forex, if this fails, the first point of call will be here for the buyers. Okay, if this particular zone fails, the buyers can push price up to this point before we can have a drop. Okay, and if this also fails, the next point of call for the buyers is this point before we can have a drop. All right, but so for now, look for selling opportunities to scalp gold. So that's that for the video. If you like what you just saw, just go ahead and click the like button. If you are yet to subscribe, please smash the subscribe button. Drop question, in the comment section. Put, can add your comments. You can smash the bell button below the video for notification. All right. We have a website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit our website to learn more on how to trade. Also, we have another website, fxfables.com. You can visit the website to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.